we're going to discuss prime polynomials. Let's start with an example. X squared minus 4x plus 18. In this, we're still going to apply the short AC test. So 1 times 18 is 18. We write the factors of 18. So we got 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. The signs are the same. They're both going to be negative. So if everything is negative, here we got negative, 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 negative. Now we see that when we add these together, I get a negative 19, a negative 11, and a negative 9, which is not the middle term. When we come into these cases, we say it is not factorable. Sorry about this. We say it's not factorable. Another word is often used is prime. Okay? So you try this one. Given x squared, sorry, made it a little big, x squared plus 7x minus 20. So given x squared plus 7x minus 20, pause the video and see if you can figure out whether it's prime or not prime. Okay, hopefully you got it. Again, using the short AC test, we're going to say 1 times 20 gives us 20. The factors of 20 are 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Reading the signs, we see that the signs are different. The bigger one is going to be positive. So if the bigger ones are positive, the little ones are negative. When we add them together, we get 19, positive 19, positive 8, and positive 1. Again, we do not get the middle term, which is negative, which is a positive 7. Therefore, we write not factorable. Okay? Again, you can write prime. One of these two situations. All right, let's go on to the next example. In this problem, we're going to use both the GCF and the short AC test together. We see that both of the terms, all the terms, are multiples of 2. So on the outside of the parentheses, we're going to write a 2. We're left with x squared minus 16x plus 48. Now, on the inside of the parentheses, we're going to do the short AC test. All right. So, the factors of 48 are 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12, 6 and 8. Then we read the signs. The signs are the same. And they're both going to be negative. if all the signs are negative, the one that gives me a negative 16 is this one. So we got a negative 4 and a negative 12. So that gives me the factors that I need. So 2 times x minus 4 times x minus 12. And that is my answer. So I combined the rules for the greatest common factor and the short AC test to completely factor a polynomial. Let's try another one. Let's see if you can figure this one out first. So push pause to figure out this problem. Okay. So what you should have done is factored out a negative among all three terms. So if I factor out a negative 1, I'll be left with x squared plus 12x plus 36. Then we're going to do the short AC test for what's on the inside. So 1 times 36 is 36. We're going to write the factors of 36. So 1 in 36, 2 in 18, 3 in 12, 4 in 9, 6 in 6. Here the signs are the same, and they're both going to be positive. So if everything's positive, the one that gives me 12 are 6 and 6. So our factors then are negative 1 times x plus 6 times x plus 6. In this case, when two factors are the exact same, we can write negative 1 times x plus 6 squared. All right. Next example. There is no other example. Okay, thank you. Bye.